Hi, my name is Miriam Siddiqui, and this is my presentation for the Health Career Photography event. My first photo shows an emergency room doctor performing an endotracheal intubation on a patient to help her breathe. In one hand, the doctor is holding a long endotracheal tube to put down the patient's throat, and in the other hand, he is holding a laryngoscope to be used as a light source to help light up the mouth in order for the doctor to see where the tube is going. The doctor will hold the tube to thread down between the patient's vocal cords and go down her windpipe as her mouth is held wide open. The tube is connected to a ventilator, which helps push clean and crisp air into the patient's lungs to help her breathe. Job requirements of an emergency room doctor includes stabilizing and taking care of patients with specific sicknesses or diseases, and also treating patients with traumatic injuries. An emergency room doctor fits into the healthcare system by performing many life-saving procedures and surgeries on patients, by directing EMSs and ambulances to the hospital to treat patients, and finally, by providing COVID testing at many urgent cares or hospitals nowadays to make sure that the community is safe from the coronavirus. The second picture that was taken shows a dentist performing a routine cleaning on a patient. She is using a dental mirror to get a fine look at each individual tooth in the patient's mouth, and is also using a dental scaler to scrape away at any plaque or tartar in between each tooth and on the patient's gum line. Responsibilities of a dentist include teeth cleanings, diagnosing oral diseases, performing oral surgeries, or taking x-rays of the patient's mouth. A dentist fits into the healthcare system by providing teeth cleanings for people of all ages and to make sure that their oral hygiene and teeth are okay. Dentists also help with filling in cavities or helping cavities to prevent any tooth decay. And finally, they can help patients straighten teeth by using Invisalign or retainers. The third and final picture that was taken shows a family practice doctor performing a routine checkup on a patient. She uses a stethoscope and places it gently over the patient's chest to hear a steady heartbeat and to make sure that everything is okay with the patient. Requirements of a family physician includes treating people of all ages with all kinds of sicknesses or diseases or infections. They also perform checkups, labs, tests, and assisting patients on sustaining a healthy lifestyle. A family practice doctor fits into the healthcare system because they provide preventative health care to patients, including sports physicals that kids or students may need for school. They also take care of an entire family to make sure that the whole family is okay instead of just specifically taking care of one patient. And finally, a family practice doctor is where you go to get referrals or medication from insurance companies. Thank you for listening to my presentation.